Hello, gorgeous gems. How y'all doing? I was just cleaning out this living room, and I said, you know what? I'm gonna do a haul with the stuff that is in here that I did not haul. Period. And then I'm gonna start doing my decor because this house is a total mess. I'm not gonna exaggerate. It is. It is a total mess, and I'm trying my darndest to get rid of some stuff and to put stuff in order because right now I cannot find nothing that goes together. I know I have them, but to tell me where they are, that's going to be a journey. But anyway, I'm going to start doing a lot of decors, and whatever I find, I'm just going to work with it until I, do my assorting and clean up and straighten up and everything. So let's go over. We're going to start with this sofa here. And as you can see, it is a sectional. And I got this at Facebook, on Facebook Marketplace. And if I'm not mistaken, I paid $4.50 for it. And when I said, I don't think nobody sat on this thing, it came just perfect. There was just one little beanie. I don't even know if you could see it. It's somewhere right here, right? But some of these are literally, I think, yeah, this is the spot and this is the spot. So, I mean, it's very, very, very minimum. So, basically, you got to be nosy to see that. But anyway, you see what my pillow says? That's why I'm working so hard. Because I love you forever. You heard that? Love you forever. And thank y'all so much for the support. I really appreciate it. Okay? So I'm a total mess because I didn't even decide to do this, but I'm doing it right now. So this, what is this now? This mirror came from Home Goods. And it was damaged. And I got it for $50. $50 at Home Good. And let me see if I could find the damaged spot, which I knew all I had to do was turn it around and see it right there. I don't even think you could see it. See that little spot right there? That's what was damaged. And I got it for $50. Okay? Now moving along. This lamp here I got from Home Goods. And I cannot remember how much it was. But as you can see, I'm sorry, it got the bling going on. And then I know you remember this. I hauled this before, and this was from At Home. Okay, so I really, really like this. Really, really like this. Okay, then I got me a ginger jar. Let's see if I could go this way so you can see it a little better. Okay, so I got the larger one in gold, and if I'm not mistaken, I think they were 69 or something like that, and I think this one was 39. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. So then this little throw rug here, I got it from Home Goods, and as you can see, I still have, oh sorry, still have the tag on it. Okay, so basically that's this area. Then this here I got off of Facebook Marketplace. It was, I forgot what color it was. I think it was black or something. And I spray painted it, but when I brought it upstairs and put it here, I realized I need to go back downstairs and add some more spray paint, especially in the circle right here. Like inside, you could see the inside. It's still got that black color. And I got this for $10. I love the details. All right, I'm getting up now. Ooh, this back. Okay, now moving along. I got me this ginger jar right here. And this is I think all my ginger jars came from Home Goods. And this one was $69.99. And then I got the smaller one, which, like I said, I think it was $39.99. Okay? Now, these items here, I got them from last year. And I think these came from, I think it was Burlington. Yeah, Burlington. And it was $12.99. And this is a little doggy, and then this is an elephant right here. And I think they all the same price. Let me see if the elephant is the same price. Yeah, the elephant, $12.99. Okay? So I got an elephant, and I got a little doggy. And then this one came from Christmas Tree. And I caught it like, I definitely remember catching this at 75% off. So I think it was originally like $5 or $6. And I got it like for a little like $1 or something. I don't remember. Then these candle holder here, honestly, don't remember where I got them from. Give me a second. Oh, these came from Burlington. And they were $16.99. And then this tray here came from At Home. And I remember hauling this, so I'm not even gonna, I don't remember how long ago or how much it cost. And I think I just hauled this on Fate sign. So yeah, we're not gonna go over that. Then okay, let's do this. Now these here I got from At Home, and they were I don't remember. I don't remember. I think it's either 69, 79, 59, somewhere in that zone. But you know, for the taller one, and then the smaller one, I think it was 50 something or 40 something. So I got 2 small and 2 large. Now, this fireplace I got off of Facebook Marketplace. It was originally brown, and I, went outside and painted it chart brown. Chart brown. Chart brown. Yeah, G. I painted it charcoal white. So, what I'm planning to do some more DIYs on this. As you can see, the log, I already painted it silver. And then this thing in the back here, I got that from Burlington. I think it was like $16 or $14.99. Now, this part here, I want to do some crushed mirror. I definitely want to do that. And then hopefully I could find a mirror to put in the back of here. Because this is just basically a decor use only. I will not be lighting this. Have no plans to. Just want it for decor. Okay? So let me move these over for a second. And I'm going to show you the unit that was wrapped up for about a whole year now. And I never took it out. It has some damage. So I'm going to show you the damage. Okay? So this is the unit right here. It's not picking up good, but this is the unit right here. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves. Okay? And I don't remember if I hauled it already or not, but I'm just doing it again. And then this mirror, y'all know I hauled this mirror before, and it was from Home Goods a while back. Okay? Now here goes the damage for this one. And it's huge. It's a huge, see? It's really big. But I bought this thing. It says you could put it, it's like a liquid glass or whatever. You could put it in there and fill it up. So I haven't even opened that yet in my gift. But I'm about to, I think her name is EE Style, My Style. So she's the one I want it from. And I haven't even opened the box yet. Okay, so I'm going to do that very soon. I'm going to open the box with y'all. Now this here came from At Home. This is the large one. I don't remember how much I paid for this because it's been a while, but I do have 2 of these. These you already saw, not even going to go over them. Those are the pillows. And then this here is the other one, but I got 2 smaller ones to these. They're in the foyer. And this is the other one that goes with the other one. But this one just have a very small crack. Very small. Let me show it to you. See? This one just got a very, very small crack right there. Okay? So, let me show you. Remember, this one, I was taking off the camera off the tripod and it damaged it. So I don't know, you know, I'm tired of having so much crack stuff, you know, here. So the next thing, this carpet is so annoying, literally so annoying. Where did I get this carpet from? Oh, I think I got to either Burlington, Holdies, one of those, I think I got it. But as you can see, it keeps rolling up. It's just annoying, literally. I'm so tired of it, I'm ready to throw it in the garbage. But I'm going to use it for a while. And then remember my little table here, I painted it like a silver color. Remember, it was like a, I don't know, antique gold or something, and then I spray painted it. So I do like it. I really do like it. So this ginger jar, I don't remember if I showed it to you or not, but I got this at Home Goods, and it was, because everything here, if I put it away, you know it ain't gonna be hauled. $16.99. And this one here, I know I hauled this already, but now I found another one, so I have 2 of those. This one here came from At Home, and they this one is $12.99. I think I hauled this already, but you know, since it was just sitting here, I said let me just haul it again. And then the larger one was $14.99. Now this tray here, I'm in love, 100% in love with this tray. I got this tray at Burlington, and it was actually, how much was this again? I think it was $24.99. Oh, the lighting is so bad. Yeah, $24.99. And then my little swans here, I think they came from At Home. I mean, no, Home Goods. And they were $16.99, and as you can see, I got 2 of those. I got, this is $9.99, and I really, really do like this. Really, if I could find another set, then it would be perfect, but I haven't seen any more yet. And this one is $9.99 too. Oh, I think I did haul this, because I remember saying How comes both of them is the same price and one is shorter and one is taller? Then my beautiful clock. Got this at home. Can't remember how much it was, but just look at the detail. Look at the detail in look at the detail in this bad boy. Then these candles here, I got them at home. This was $5.99 for the small one and $7.99 for the large one. So gorgeous gems. Oops, almost fell over the pillows. So this is it. And I'm going to start decorating. So most likely y'all want me to go back over these things while I'm doing a video. I'll try to, but most of the time I just want to video and show you what I've done. Okay, so you see the couch is nice and clean. Love, love. And like I say, love you forever. I think I forgot to tell you where this came from. This came from Burlington, and it was $15.99. Yeah, so I got this. I don't remember when I got it, but it's been a minute. Okay? Love, love.